Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and clicked my video for the first time, so happy you are here. I make DIY and home decoration items on budget. So Ganesh Chaturthi is around the corner, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easily you can make a Ganpati wall hanging at home. But before moving to that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make this homemade gesso, I am using 2 parts of plaster of Paris, 1 part of white glue and 1 part of white febicryl color. Instead of plaster of Paris, you can use baby powder also. Here I am using 4 spoon of plaster of Paris because I want the amount in a large amount, so I can use it in the future project also. And 2 spoon of white glue and 2 spoon of white febicryl color. Now mix everything well. Mixture is a bit of thick, so that's why I'm using 1 spoon of water and mixing it well. Now move on to the wall hanging. To make this wall hanging, I'm using a MDF board, box knife, febicryl liquid color, some febicryl colors, homemade gesso, knife and paintbrush. At first, I'm taking a scale and cutting it with the use of box knife and giving it a shape of rectangular. You can give any type of shape of your choice. Now with the help of sandpaper, I am sanding all the sides properly. With the help of the knife, I am using the gesso. Instead of knife, you can use brush also to give it a smooth finish. But here I want some texture over there, so that's why I'm using the knife. Now let it dry completely. It has dried completely and you can see a smooth textured look has already created. Now I'm using yellow color, orange color, some green color, and again I will use yellow color and mix it all. Paint has dried, you can see, and here I have drawn a Ganpati and some border pattern over there. Now I am coloring the Ganpati portion with teal blue color. using the blue color Fabicryl 3D outliner for the pattern. Now with the same 3D outliner, I am doing the outline of the Ganpati. Now at the bottom of the MDF, I am drilling 3 holes to hang the tassel. And on the top, I am drilling 2 holes to hang it. Now I am taking 3 embroidery thread for the tassel. I'm not giving the detail of how to make the tassel because in the previous videos I have already mentioned how to do the tassel. So please check it out. I will give the links in the description below. Now I am taking some golden beads and threading the beads to the tassel. Now I am putting the tassel thread through the hole and then tying a knot. Repeat the same steps for remaining 2 tassels. For hanging, I am using a jute rope, and this is the final result. It is looking so beautiful. I just love it how it has turned out. Let me know in the comment down below, do you like it or not, and if you are going to make it, share the picture with me in my Instagram page. I will love to see those pictures. Please like and comment and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.